Hi, Calvin again from Expert 360. Today I'm going to talk about how Atlassian Intelligence has helped me with my day-to-day role. So what is Atlassian Intelligence? Atlassian Intelligence is embedded in Atlassian products like Confluence, Jira, and Jira Service Management. This augments the product experience and accelerates your productivity. It can help you find and summarize information, improve your writing, and create tickets, and so much more. Let's start with Confluence. Using Smart Search, typing in a keyword, Atlassian Intelligence will suggest relevant pages, documents, and even people. Don't have time to read long pages? Summarize it with Atlassian Intelligence, or summarize the changes since the last published version. Don't have time to create those Jira tickets? Easily create them from your Confluence pages. Atlassian Intelligence generates a list of suggested tickets. You select the ones that you want to create, or edit, or discard. You can also brainstorm ideas and use Atlassian Intelligence to help you create plans and change the tone or even translate. So in this example, I'm going to brainstorm an idea for a bike to work program. I'll activate Atlassian Intelligence by typing in /AI, select brainstorm, and give Atlassian Intelligence the idea. It'll then come back with bullet points and a framework for your idea. Now, we're not done yet because we can refine this and ask Atlassian Intelligence to further break this down. In this case, asking Atlassian Intelligence to create an implementation plan. Once you've reviewed this and you want to change maybe the tone or translate, you can use the refine button and maybe change the tone to more of a casual tone. Once you're happy with the output, insert into your Confluence document. Next is Jira, the powerhouse for project management from Atlassian. With Atlassian Intelligence, managing your projects has never been easier. You can find information using natural language, in this case, looking for all in progress tickets. I don't want to find any epics. So using natural language, I type in my search and Atlassian Intelligence has written a filter. What about improving information on tickets? With Atlassian Intelligence, you can easily improve your issue by updating the issue description to a more professional tone. You can summarize comments for long-living tickets and suggest child issues. Clicking on Improve Description, Atlassian Intelligence will then suggest a new description and you can replace or insert below, and again using the Refine button, change the tone to be more professional or translate to a different language. I can also suggest child issues, in this case from my epic, Based on the content of my description, Atlassian Intelligence is creating a list of suggested child issues with different issue types. Here we have tasks, and there's a document. Finally, let's explore Jira Service Management, where customer support meets intelligent automation. In the first example, I'm going to triage 3 tickets. I'm going to use the triage functionality to change them to a new request type to ensure that they get the attention they need. Selecting the tickets, clicking on triage, I can then change these to the request type that they need to be, in this case, request emergency change. In the next example, I'm going to take a closed ticket and create a post-incident review ticket based off the information in their closed ticket. My PIR from the closed ticket. Atlassian Intelligence can suggest a description. Once that has written that description for me, I can review that. And if I'm happy with it, I can then add that to my description and create my ticket. I can also use Atlassian Intelligence to help summarize tickets with lots and lots of comments, especially those backwards and forwards tickets. Clicking on the summarize comments in the comments section, Atlassian Intelligence summarizes the comments for you. Again, I've got the improved writing in my description block. I can improve the description, I can summarize or improve my writing, again, fixing spelling and grammar, changing the tone, etc. Some other nice features, especially in the JSM world, is sentiment. Atlassian Intelligence can look at the content of a ticket and suggest the customer's sentiment on this ticket. In this case, not very happy. Atlassian Intelligence can also suggest next steps for your ticket. In this case, it's telling me to investigate the problem. Other suggestions could be creating other tickets. And then lastly, you can use Atlassian Intelligence to create automations using natural language. So create with AI. In this case, closing all children tickets when a parent is closed. So Atlassian Intelligence has now written the automation for me. Thank you very much for your time. A link to contacting us is at the top of the video. Please do reach out for further information or questions.